Oh.
Hindi pa kaya mo po. Hospital kami, guys. Today is the day of my operation. Kasama ko yung asawa ko. Yung mga anak ko, iniwanan ko sa kapatid ko. Kasi maghahatid sa school. Ayun ang asawa ko. Ayun, ito na pala kami.
What's your full name? Elizabeth Montero. John. I didn't even make a video.
I was thinking like that this morning, then I forgot. Now this time we can do a live streaming.
No, you can't.
Nandito kami sa hospital.
Admission. What was another one?
Ayan guys. Kapag nasa St. John ka, meron silang free wifi. Ayan. St. John of God Healthcare. Free wifi. Ito Kim.
Front desk, the office, the hospital.
Right, so
Has it been marked yet?
no.
Okay, so what can
Of course.
Not David.
Do you want any paper? Huh?
David, come on.
Tissue. There's a tissue in
Postman,
the,
make up your name.
in the toilet.
Postman,
Tissue
come on.
paper.
Oh, who's that? Who's that? Don't you get to pick a silly name to call me Boo Boo. I need a shout out for my name to see where I am. Count to 10.
Ang ingay ng mga bata.
I got Boo Boo.
Will you stop shouting, you two?
He's gonna order my
I
food.
want Peekaboo.
Please stop it.
You want water? Do you want water?
Pumpkin soup.
It's very nice.
Yeah, I know.
You like that?
Yeah. And
This cake.
This one here looks so bad. That's out of it. That's
cheesecake
it looks so
with
ugly.
just the cheesecake.
David Norman.
What did you want to drink?
Where's David Norman?
Hey, come here.
Look, say cheese.
Come here, please.
There it is, my superhero.
Very good. Okay.
They're Norman. They're Norman. I'm gonna brush your wool.
Thank you, sweetheart.
Brush your wool.
Yeah, you have to get your own breakfast.
Yeah.
You're not listening. Sit down, sheep. Oh my God, sheep. You can touch me. Hey! Mine. This is mine. Ow. Ow, let me go. T, can you let me sit there? There's a nice seat over there. I want to sit.
Be quiet.
And look at it.
Hi. This is for Lilybeth Charnock, who's in Bridget Clancy, room 13. I have a pumpkin soup and grilled barramundi with mushroom sauce and mixed veggies, please. And berry cheesecake, green tea and pineapple juice, please. Yes, that's all. Thanks. Okay, thank you very much. Bye. There you go. 45 minutes.
That's perfect.
Easy, isn't it?
Thank you, sweetheart.
There you go. That's what you're supposed to be getting.
Ayan yung order niya para sa akin.
So you can do your own for breakfast. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going now.
Why?
We've got to go home. We've got to eat as well. Right?
I'll see you tomorrow, baby. Mommy will go home tomorrow.
Miss Mommy.
Yeah, we'll be back tomorrow.
I want to stay.
You will come back tomorrow to pick me up. You'll be good boy, good girl, okay?
Hey, where's my coat?
Everyone's going.
Give it to me.
No, what's right here?
You've already combed it. Come on, let's go. Let's go. We've got to go.
Mary Dumby. Hey,
Go on.
Mary Dumby wants food.
No.
Ayun guys, dinner time na. Nandito na yung ration ko. Kakain na ako. Umuwi na yung mga anak ko kasi ang ingay. Baka magalit yung mga kapitbahay ko dito. Bukas uwi na din naman ako. Susunduin nila ako dito. So ito yung food ko guys. May pineapple juice. Ayan. May green tea din ako. Ayan. inom muna ako ng green tea, guys. Ayan yung ating dinner ngayon, guys. May pumpkin soup. Ayan yung order ko. Sinulat talaga ng asawa ko. Ayan. Magdi-dinner na ako para gusto ko matulog ng maaga. Ay, ba't walang rice? Hindi ko ako binigyan ng rice. Again, ayan, dito na yung aking breakfast, guys. Ang sarap na aking breakfast. Ayan, nag-request ulit ako ng pineapple juice. Tsaka may kape ako this time. Meron akong pancake at tsaka egg omelette with cheese on it. Kain tayo, guys. Kainan na, guys. Ito yung breakfast ko. Waiting lang ako, guys, ng aking discharge paper. Pauwi na ako ngayong umaga.
It can be other forms of, contact sexual assault and also rape as well. So there are a really broad range of behaviours that are covered there. In the statistics here, the most common victims survive.
Nanonood lang ng TV.
Yeah. It's an absolute worry for us all.
Ang ganda ng view ko dito, guys. May bintana ako sa labas. Kita yung mga puno. The view from my window.
An area of work to do around peer-to-peer sexual assault between young people. That is an area of concern, and we do need to be addressing that. So that's a real mix, that 10 to 17 age group. But what we get on top of,
Ayan.
we've got to work with children.
Yung medyas na yan, guys, ginagamit nila pagkatapos ng opera para iwas blood clots daw. Ayan, dalawa yan.
Sexual contact, and also how to negotiate that in ways that are safe for everyone. But we're all really concerned. Our own service, statistics tell us that about a third or more of our callers across all of our helplines are aged 16 to 29. And not far behind, and other states are in conversation about this.
Lovely chatting to you. There's a lot of information on your website at Full Stop Australia. We have to wrap it up, but great to see you. Thanks so much.
Thanks, Jenny.
And if these stories have raised any concerns, you can call Lifeline on 13 11 14. A pedestrian has been killed after being struck by a bus at a Brisbane intersection. For the perpetrators, are you seeing
Ito yung aking room.
what can they do and what can they
Naging bahay ko siya ng isang araw at isang gabi. Yan ang aking toilet.
Look, if you watch the media, you will see that most of the conversations we're having are about.
Ayan guys, ready na ako. Nakapagpalit na rin ako. Binigyan na ako ng discharge paper ng nurse. So, ready na akong umuwi. Inaantay ko na lang yung asawa ko. Susunduin daw niya ako dito sa taas. Manood muna tayo ng TV. Spider-Man yung palabas. Ayan, palabas na kami guys. Bridget Clancy Ward. Thank you, sweetheart.
No worries.
Ground floor. Way out. $30 minutes free. Ayan yung parking charges nila guys. So 30 minutes lang free yung sasawa ko. Ayan, palabas na kami. Ayun. Parada kasi sa medyo malayo. So, sunduin niya ako dito.
Oh, that's nice. Nilsey's on the 4th of July. That's a Thursday.
Diyan na yung sundo ko. Ayan na. Ayan, papasok na ako guys. Thank you, sweetheart. Yay!